Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add Google ReCaptcha to your Webflow projects in 2025, plus I'll share a quick bonus tip that can help you breeze through this process next time. If you follow along by the end of this tutorial, your forms will be much more secure and you'll have a clear advantage over spam bots trying to sneak into your submissions. Sound good? Let's dive right in. I'm assuming you already have a form set up on your Webflow site, which is great. That's our foundation. The next step is adding that extra layer of security with Google ReCaptcha. So let's get started together. Open up your Webflow project and head straight for the Add Elements panel. That's the handy sidebar where you pick all your building blocks. Just hover over the options there until you spot ReCaptcha. It sits right amongst the other form components like fields and buttons. Drag the ReCaptcha right into your form. Position it where it makes the most sense, typically near your Submit button. This tells your users, hey, we care about keeping your information safe, and helps keep your form free from automated bots. Now, dropping the ReCaptcha onto your form is just half the job. It shows up visually, but we need to activate it behind the scenes so it actually does its job. Here, go to your project settings. Up at the top of Webflow, you'll see a gear or little settings tab. Click right into that, and then select the Forms section on the left side. This is where all your form handling magic happens. Scroll down a bit until you find the part labeled ReCaptcha Validation. You'll notice it's not enabled by default, and that's important. Webflow wants to make sure only legit site owners arm their forms with ReCaptcha. Right here, you'll see an option to register for a new Google ReCaptcha key. Click this link. It's going to take you to the Google portal where you can claim your unique keys for free. You'll just need to be logged into a Google account, and you'll follow their quick steps to enter your domain and pick which version of ReCaptcha you want. Now, don't worry if you haven't used Google's developer tools before. Registering your site and generating those keys is usually quick and painless, just a couple of clicks and copy-pasting. But if you're not ready to do that right now, that's totally fine. In our next video, I'll give you a full demo of exactly how to register for a new key and connect it up to your Webflow project. That way, you'll be set up with everything you need without missing a beat. But for now, you've learned how to add the actual ReCaptcha element to your form, where to enable the setting, and where to grab the Google keys, which honestly is 90% of what you need to make your Webflow forms more secure against unwanted spam or script attacks. Remember, every layer of protection matters, and even this quick step can save you tons of headaches later. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you've got any questions or run into any snags along the way, feel free to drop me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more Webflow tips and web design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.